Guys, it's your boy WG back at it again, and I know I haven't uploaded with something like 3 weeks, but the reason is I've had very important exams to do and a lot of schoolwork to do. But since I have a couple days off, I decided to make this video. Now today we are playing Subway Surfers. Now we all probably have played it. It is its 10th anniversary this week, I think. So I'm just playing. So it's kind of hard to commentate on Subway Surfers, but well, if you have any video ideas, make sure to let me know. And if you do want more Subway Surfers, then just like the video. It helps the channel out a lot. This fat ass cop is behind me. Oh. Got the J for spelling Jake. Hopefully I can put in the word delete G, and just as that, I died. GG's though, we did well. Not bad. Oh, it got some sort of free reward. Yo, just saying, I'm tier 3 in Subway Surfers, you ain't. And we got 1,000 coins. That ain't bad. It was only characters. There's a shop here. Free daily gift or something I get. Another 200 coins. I don't know. Did I might spend coins on that? I don't know. There's only things, anything else? No, stores are pretty bad place. Now I'm trying to grind for this guy. He's like a free thing. And then these characters, you have to pay money, I think it is. Like so. Or you get it in the battle pass, so it's not that much. And just had that ad popped, I'll be back in a second. I'm back after that ad. It was some sort of piano ad, but you know how it is. I just skipped right through it. It's a mobile game, so trust me, you get a lot of ads. And I did not mean to jump there, but I did, so. Oh, there's the N from Jake. Wait, did I miss that? Enter. Magnet. I'd be picking up all them coins. No. No, that's what the mouse. Shoot. Nearly died there. Clicking them coins. See, what I like about Subway Surfers is it's one of the first games, if not the first game, to introduce the running style. But it was also the one which has the less microtransactions. You get these mobile games, instant runner games, I don't know, Temple Run and Minion Rush and whatnot. To get skins and stuff, you have to either grind so much, spend 20 hours a day on the game, or what you have to do is you have to actually pay money, and it can be really expensive. Whereas Subway Surfers, they do these events, like the 10th anniversary event now, where they give you skins. Oh, just got that, eh? We are one word away. So one away from both words. Oh, when I died. Might as well spend the key, I'm never going to use it. And I don't know. Oh, am I on some sort of hoverboard or something? I don't know what happened there. No comment on that. Oh. Okay, come on. I'm not paying anything else on that, man. Come on. Well, at least I got some sort of free mystery box thing, and my new high score is that much. I got 2 spray cans. Okay, 130 more to unlock. Another spray can. Wow. Spray can, so sick. Now, is there any, like, new skins I have? Do I have that guy? I don't know her. Is there any characters I can buy? Because I have, like, 25 grand. I don't have Facebook, so I can't really get that dude. That guy, I wouldn't mind that guy. Just putting it out there. But Ninja, I have enough for him. But don't know if I should get him or not. And that guy, oh crap, did not mean to kick that. But, yeah, I don't need no skins. Guess we just run again. It's just the same thing as usual. If you want any more games, please let me know, because another reason why I'm uploading, did not mean to do that, is because I am really running out of ideas. Like, I hate to say it, but just I'm running out of ideas. That's why the last few videos have been me cashing on certain things. And that FNAF movie video, I did that because I was like really bored, so I'm running out of ideas. So trust me. No, gonna get that start. Just, yep, 2 times all the coins, which is grand. Banging, you know. Poggers. Now everything's back. See them skills. Oh, got some Nike trainers. Oh, geez, sick, I jumped over that. And now I got the thing. The magnet. Oh, I think I just missed something down there. Oh. Damn it. I was caught by Paul Blart Boys. Very big tragedy. Right. I'll do one more round and then this will be the end. Oh, I'm on a hoverboard. Did I tap like some sort of different mode or anything? I don't know. Like, I really aren't familiar with Subway Surf because I haven't played it in donkey's years, man. So, you know. Oh, I didn't know I could jump over that. Grab all them coins, you know. Yep, jump. Yeah. So, trust me, Summer hold it. Just missed a lot of brilliant boys. Just missed a lot. Anyway, Summer holders coming up for me, so you know how it is. I can, make more videos, spend more time in them. New games coming out, and I did not mean to do that again. But anyway, new games are coming out, so ultimately it's really good. So, yeah, and I've just died. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Until next time, see you later.